Kikis. Hello. Oh, yeah? Hi. Hi, baby. Char. Come here. Come here, Kumba. Come here, Kumba. Oh, are you trying to tell Mama something, huh? Tosh! Hi! Are you messing with all the Halloween stuff over here? What are you doing, huh? Oh, don't run! Don't run! Hi, my kikis. Hi, my kikis. Hello, Kumbas. Hello, Zara. Hello. Hi, sweet girl. Can Mama hold you? Oh, can Mama hold you? I love you. I love my sweet girl. Okay. Come here, boys. Come on, kikis. Come on, kikis. Come on, Kumba. Come on, Kumba. Hi, Zara. Hi, Zara. Hi, my sweet girl. Hi, my sweet girl. Come here. Come here. Hello, sweet angel. Kumba. Come here. Come here. I love you. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, sweetheart. Hello. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. You're such a sweetheart. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. I know it's hard to give Mama kisses with her hat on, huh? Yeah. Hello. Hello, my sweet angel. You're such a sweet boy. You know that. Mama loves you so much. I love you so much. I know what you're trying to tell me. I see you sniffing. That's where Mama makes all the magic happen. Chicken. That's where Mama makes you chicken. You know you're going to get some. You know you're going to get some. I'm going to make you some. No. Come here. He gives me all the lovin's in the world when he knows he's getting ready to get chicken time. Listen to that purr. Listen to that purr. My sweet, sweet boy. Come here, Kumba. Come here, Kumba. Come here. Hi. Hello. All right, Mama will get you some chicken, okay? I'll make you some chicken.